Okay, good morning. Good morning, all of you. SLC students. Welcome to mathematics class. Yesterday, what did we complete? Mean of group data. Mean of group data. How many methods? 3 methods. What are they? First one is direct method. Second one is assume mean method, and third one is step division method. Okay, first of all we have to find out xi. How to come xi? Midpoints, class marks is nothing but xi. How to calculate xi? Low upper class limit 2 plus lower class limit 2 by 2. Okay, so fi xi values are the fi frequencies, and class marks values are double digit numbers, are the values are big values. Okay, calculate is very difficult, so we can apply the assume mean method. Calculations also, the fi and xi are big, means no problem. I can do the multiplication of fi into xi. Okay, you can do multiplication of fi into xi means okay, no problem, direct method. So the values fi xi values are large, means we have to go next method, the assume mean method. Assume mean method formula a plus sigma fi into di by sigma fi. Assume mean method. So here also di. How to find out di? Di is equal to xi minus small a. What is the small a? In the observations, class marks. In the class marks, the middle one, near to middle one, middle number is the a. So di is equal to xi minus a. So fi di are also the maybe large values. Okay, we can go to the next method, step division method. Fi into ui. A plus, what is the formula of step division method? Mean formula a bar plus a plus sigma fi into ui by sigma fi into h. Here ui is equal to what? Di by h. Ui is equal to di by h. What is the meaning of h? H is equal to the difference of class intervals. 0 to 10 means what is h? 10. 10 to 20, 20 to 30. What is the h? Upper class limit minus lower class limit is equal to the h, minus difference of class limits. So 3 methods, number of problems are completed. The remaining problems we have to do homework. So next concept, we are going to the next concept, mode. In the earlier classes, in class 9th, what is the mode? What is the mode? The values of the observations, the value of the observation having the maximum frequency. What is the meaning of mode? The value of the observations having maximum frequency. Okay, value of observation. In the observation, value is mode, but which observation? Maximum frequency observation is called mode. Okay, so let us go to the one in 9th class model problem. One problem is there. So what is the problem? The wickets taken by a bowler in 10 cricket matches. The wickets taken the wickets taken by a bowler in 10 matches, 10 cricket matches are as follows. Find mode of the data. Find mode of the data. Find mode of the data. 2, 6, 4, 5, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Wickets taken 10 matches. Okay. 10 cricket matches. First match, for example, first match 2 wickets bowler. The wickets taken by a bowler in 10 matches. Okay. So first, for example, say first match how many wickets? 2 wickets. Second match 6 wickets. Third match 4 wickets. Fifth match 5 wickets. This and so on. So construct the table. First table, construct a table. Compulsory we want frequencies and observations must be. Okay. So why must be frequencies and observations are we want? Okay. So what is the values of the observations? The values of observation having the maximum frequency. This is the definition. Having the maximum frequency. So number of wickets, number of matches. Solution. First construct the table. Number of matches. First one 0 wickets. Line number. How many wickets? 2 wickets, 6 wickets, 4 wickets, 5 wickets, 0 wickets. Okay. So number of wickets, 0 wickets. How many zeros? Only 1 zeros. Total 10 matches. Okay. Number of wickets, number of matches. 0 wickets, how many matches? 0 wickets, how many matches? Only 1 matches. Next, 1 wicket, how many matches? 1 wicket, how many matches? Only 1. 2 wickets, how many matches? 2 matches. 3 wickets, how many matches? 2 matches. Next, 4 wickets, how many matches? 1 wicket. 5 wickets, how many matches? 1. Next, 6 wickets, how many matches? 1. 2, 4, 6, 9. This is 2 wickets. 2 wickets, how many matches? 1, 2, 3. 2 wickets, 3 matches. So 1 plus 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 matches. Totally 10 matches. So 0 wickets, how many matches? 1 wicket, how many matches? 2 wicket, how many matches? This is the first one is the observations and this is the frequencies. First one is observations. Observations are nothing but xi. Frequencies are nothing but fi. So the maximum, the values of the observations having the maximum frequency. This is the mode meaning, mode formula, definition. So this is the frequencies. In frequencies, This is what is the maximum value? 2 is the maximum value. 2 is the maximum. So 2 is the maximum, but mode is in the observations only. Mode is in the observation. So this is 2 is the mode. The value of the observations having the maximum frequency. Maximum frequency, this is 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. This is maximum frequency is 3. So the value of the observation is the mode. The value of observation is mode. So not 3. 3 is not a mode. 2 is mode. 2 is mode is always taken from the observations. Okay, clear. So mode is what? Mode is 2. This is the answer. Because reason, for example, because the maximum matches. The maximum matches are 3. So we have any clearly 2 is the number of wickets. 2 is the number of wickets taken by the bowler. In the maximum number. What is the maximum number? Maximum number is 3 of matches. Maximum number of matches. So the mode of this data, therefore the mode of this data is 2. The mode of this data is 2. This is already discussed in the 9th class. So next one, go to the next, continuous frequency distribution. Next problem, continuous frequency distribution. So that is the problem in exercise. In exercise 13.2, the maybe 8 to 6 problems are there. The total 6 problems, mean and mode both we have to calculate. Mean and mode both are calculate. So mean already known. So today class only mode. So first problem, second problem, third, fourth must be mean and mode. So the first 4 problems are homework. So fifth problem, the given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsman of the world in one-day international cricket match. Okay, one-day international cricket match. So the given data. What is the data? Runs scored runs scored. Next, number of batsmen. 3,000 to 4,000, 4,000 to 5,000, 5,000 to 6,000, 6,000 to 7,000, 7,000 to 8,000, 8,000 to 9,000, 9,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 11,000. This one 4, 8, 18, 4, 18, 9, 7, 6, 3, double 1. Okay, find the mode of the data. Find mode of the data. This is the problem. First one, the given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the old one-day international cricket match. So runs scored 3,000 to 4,000. How many members? 4 batsmen, 4 members. 4,000 to 5,000. How many members? Score. 4,000 runs to 5,000 runs. How many batsmen are there? 18 members. 5 to 6, 9 members. 6 to 7, 7 members. This is the given data. Find mode of the data. Find mode of the data. So solution first. This is the solution. Solution once again. Construct the table once again. Construct the table and what we have to find out? Find mode of the data. Mode of the data. So mode of the data solution. First of all, again draw the table once again and see, we can observe the number of batsmen is nothing but this is the frequencies. Number of batsmen is frequencies. So observe the number of batsmen is nothing but frequencies. Observe the frequencies. The maximum value. Maximum. What is the maximum? 18 is maximum. Okay. 18 is maximum. So actually what first 18 is the maximum means this is F4. This is F1, maybe F1. In the frequencies, highest number, maximum number is taken F1. The above one is F0. This is 4. 4 is F0. The below, this is exceeding, succeeding. Exceeding means before one. Succeeding means after one. Succeeding means after one. This is F2. Okay, now it's 18. This one, the maximum number, the corresponding class intervals. Corresponding class intervals are the class intervals. So first one, maximum class frequency is 18. Maximum class frequency is 18. Next to the modal class. The modal class. The modal class means the highest number corresponding class interval. 4,000 to 5,000. 4,000 to 5,000. So lower limit First of all, L means what? Lower limit. 15,000, 14. What is the lower limit? 4,000 is lower limit. Next one, frequency of mode class. Frequency of mode class. F1 is equal to 18. This is maximum value is the frequency of modal class. Next, frequency of class. Frequency of class preceding modal class. Preceding modal class. Preceding modal class. Preceding modal class means preceding means F1 before. F0 is equal to 4. So frequency of class. Frequency of class succeeding. SUCCE. Succeeding modal class. Succeeding modal class is F2. Succeeding means after. This is 9. So next to H is equal to what is the modal class? Modal class 5,000 minus 4,000 is equal to 1,000. ORR, each class interval difference is equal. Each class interval difference equal. So H. Next, mode formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0. F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2. So L is equal to lower limit 4,000 plus F1 means 18 minus F0 4 by 2 F1 36 minus F0 4 F2 9 into H is equal to 1,000. That is equal to 4,000 plus 18 minus 4 14. So 14 by 36 minus 4 32 minus 9 23. So 23 into 1,000. So that is equal to 4,000 plus 14,000 by 23. So 4,000 plus 14,000 by 23 is equal to 608.695. So that is equal to 4,608.695. This is nearly 7. So what is the mode? This is the mode value. So finally the mode of the given data is therefore final hence the mode of the given data is 4,608 rupees 8.695. This is the mode procedure. Once again listen carefully. So the wicket taken by the given distribution shows the number of runs scored by the same top batsman. Okay, no problem. This is the given data. First of all, you have observed that the frequencies. In the frequencies, so we identify the maximum value. So the maximum value is nothing but frequency of modal class. Frequency of modal class is F1. So the before one is preceding frequency model class, preceding model class. Next the after one is succeeding model class, nothing but f2 denoted by f2. So frequency model class, the corresponding interval is called the class, the model class. In the model class 4000 5000, the 4000 is the lower limit, 5000 is the upper limit. So h is equal to difference of the class intervals. So mode formula L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. All values are there already find out. So L value is there, f1 f2, substitute all values and simplify. So the total, hence the mode of the given frequency is, given data is, this is the mode. Same in the mode there is no different methods, only single method, like mean. Okay, like mean has how many methods? 3 methods. So mode is only single method, only single method. So this is the mode 1. The remaining problems in the exercise 13.2 homework have to try. Okay, clear? Thank you. Tomorrow median, tomorrow I will discuss the median.